Freezer Bound Outdoors here. Today is chicken butchering day. It is our first time. Here's our setup. Here we go.
Freezer Bound Outdoors.
Right there.
You got it, bud.
Well, that's a double one.
Adam, you're out a minute.
Well, I'm just trying to. Back our beers up just for a second.
Hey, Mommy, I red weed.
That's blood, honey. Put it in the thing there. Come on, before you get it on you.
Oh, you done it on me.
All right.
Why is not blocked?
All right. Go up and wash your hands upstairs in the bathroom.
Is it on video? Me and Oaks are racing here. Doing a little chicken blocking.
You gotta jump on it.
Adam had an extra minute.
I'd say it was more like 40 seconds, but.
At least 20, because he counted it down.
Yeah, you're still at 2 minutes there, Adam.
Yeah, but I'm about done. I mean,
Yeah.
Man, you're on it.
I started taping a minute and 40 seconds ago.
I'm pretty close. I mean, it's just the small stuff now. Just cleaning her out. Take short videos, Renee.
This is the OG from FBO. Today we're doing chickens. We had 3 6-week-old chickens. 6 weeks. This one's 4.5 pounds. This is the kill process right here. Come. 3 chickens. We started about a half an hour ago. Chickens went in there. Dunked them. 150-degree water. 20 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. Table. Cleaned them up. One of our junior associates here is finishing up one.
Good.
Chickens then went to the water bath, the ice bath here. Is this ready for the ice bath?
Yeah.
Probably a 5-minute dunk in there. So we're going from a live chicken. You've seen the process. Right on the charbroil. Beer can chicken.
Go.
Go.
Say, I love chicken.
I want chicken.
Now take a bite. Attaboy. Say, that's good.